Emma, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Lily, we're so happy to have you here today. Emma, I'm Emma. Lily, and I'm Lily. Both, and we're sisters. Emma, today we're going to have a long, fun, and relaxing conversation, just like real sisters do. Lily, yes, we'll talk about life, memories, dreams, and so many little things. Emma, so sit back, listen carefully, and try to learn English naturally with us. Lily, you can also repeat after us to practice your speaking. Emma, all right, are you ready? Lily, let's begin. Emma, this tea is perfect. Lily, finally, I made it just right today. Emma, you're improving. Maybe I'll let you make it every evening now. Lily, then you'll miss my special lazy days. Emma, I already do. Lily, it feels so peaceful tonight. No noise, no rush. Emma, yes, sometimes silence feels like a gift. Lily, I wish every evening felt like this. Emma, we can make it feel this way if we choose to slow down. Lily, do you remember how we used to sit like this when we were little? Emma, of course, with those small cups and imaginary tea. Lily, and you always acted like a queen. Emma, because I was the elder one, the queen of the sofa. Lily, you were bossy but sweet. Emma, I'll accept that compliment. Lily, remember the fights over the TV remote? Emma, how could I forget? We treated cartoons like national news. Lily, those were the best days. Emma, Lily, do you ever think about your dreams lately? Lily, you mean my future goals? Emma, yes, what you really want to do. Lily, sometimes I feel confused. There are so many things I want to try. Emma, that's okay. Confusion means you're exploring. Lily, what about you, Emma? Do you still dream big? Emma, every day. But my dreams are calmer now. Lily, like what? Emma, to be happy, peaceful, and kind, even when life gets busy. Lily, that's beautiful. Emma, it's something I've learned from life. Lily, let's play a song. Emma, which one? Lily, something soft, maybe lo-fi. Emma, good choice. Lily, music changes everything. Emma, it really does. It speaks when words can't. Lily, sometimes I listen just to feel less alone. Emma, I think everyone does that. Lily, you know, when I'm sad, I never tell you immediately. Emma, I know, but I always notice. Lily, how? Emma, sisters just know. Lily, I'm glad we talk in English now. It helps me a lot. Emma, me too. We improve together. Lily, sometimes I forget words though. Emma, that's fine, just keep speaking. Practice is everything. Lily, you make it sound easy. Emma, because it can be easy if you enjoy it. Lily, maybe we should start a podcast for others like us. Emma, we already sound like one. Lily, true. Maybe this is episode 1. Emma, do we have cookies left? Lily, yes, in the jar, want one? Emma, always. Tastes homemade. Lily, I baked them yesterday. Emma, you did. They're amazing. Lily, I watched a video tutorial. Emma, see, you're becoming a little chef. Lily, maybe cooking is my hidden talent. Emma, or eating is. Lily, both. Lily, Emma, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Emma, maybe Japan. I love peaceful places. Lily, and I'd go to Italy for pizza. Emma, of course. You think with your stomach. Lily, do you ever imagine what we'll be like in 10 years? Emma, maybe still sitting here talking like this. Lily, that would be nice. Emma, life moves fast, Lily. But these small moments stay forever. Lily, yeah, I hope we never lose this bond. Emma, we won't. Lily, you always seem calm, Emma. How do you do it? Emma, I breathe deeply, think slowly, and focus on what matters. Lily, that's hard for me. My mind jumps everywhere. Emma, then start small, one calm moment at a time. Lily, you sound like a life coach. Emma, maybe I've learned from experience. Lily, or from watching too many motivational videos. Emma, guilty. Lily, look outside, Emma. The moon looks beautiful. Emma, wow, it's so bright tonight. Lily, I love nights like this, quiet and calm. Emma, me too. It feels like time stops for a while. Lily, sometimes I wish we could pause life like this moment. Emma, maybe that's what peace really means. Lily, you always find meaning in everything. Emma, and you always find joy in small things. That's balance. Lily, Emma, can I ask something serious? Emma, of course. Lily, do you ever get scared about the future? Emma, yes, sometimes. Everyone does. Lily, you don't show it. Emma, because I believe things work out when we keep trying. Lily, that's comforting. Emma, remember it's okay to be unsure. Lily, you always know what to say. Emma, maybe because I love you. Lily, Awa, now I'll cry. Emma, no tears, just tea. Emma, I think this might be our favorite routine now. Tea, talk, and peace. Lily, totally. It's better than scrolling phones. Emma, or fighting over remotes. Lily, or pretending to study. Emma, let's promise to keep this time for us every evening. Lily, promise. Emma, so should we call it a night? Lily, yeah. Good night, Emma. Emma, good night, Lily, sleep well. Emma, that was such a beautiful talk, wasn't it? Lily, yes. We laughed, we shared memories, and we learned so many new words together. Emma, we really hope you enjoyed this little conversation between sisters. Lily, and remember, you can listen again and repeat after us to practice your English every day. Emma, keep learning, keep smiling, and never stop improving yourself. Lily, if you like this podcast, don't forget to follow and share it with your friends. Emma, thank you so much for spending your time with us. Lily, we'll meet again very soon with another cozy conversation. Both, bye everyone. Take care and keep speaking English.